Hi everyone, my name is Olivia Russo and I'm going to be introducing my employee engagement program. As we learned in our readings this week, less than 1/3 of Americans are engaged in their jobs in any given year. The Value program will help companies establish an engagement program that employees look forward to and grow from. Value stands for virtual reality, artificial intelligence, learning, utilization, and empowerment. The program will consist of quarterly mandatory engagement sessions broken up into two portions, virtual reality and artificial intelligence. The employees from each branch of the company will have the opportunity to work with one another to complete simple and then complex tasks. The program will emphasize creating well-rounded employees as well as providing an escape from the everyday work environment and will teach employees to work with people from all backgrounds. The virtual reality portion will consist of quarterly engagements where employees get together with their teams to work on simple virtual tasks, such as puzzles, word searches, and so on. This portion will give employees the opportunity to relieve some stress and work on mind-numbing tasks with their team while getting to know them. This will help teach unity and diversity amongst all employees. The artificial intelligence section is where employees take what they learned from each other and from VR and find ways to apply it to their jobs. The employees will undergo a training explaining the artificial intelligence and will then be asked to find ways where AI can help in their field of work. The team that reports back to their manager with the most efficient way to use artificial intelligence will win an additional 3 days of PTO. Through the program, employees will learn how VR and AI can enhance their working experience. This program will also incentivize employees to work together to accomplish big goals using their technology at their fingertips. Employees will learn how to utilize the technology and resources they have available to them. This can also possibly increase return on investment for the company, decrease employee turnover, and enhance the work environment. As we read this week, engaged business units tend to deliver better performance as measured in terms of revenues and profits, and organizations with enthusiastic employees tend to have better service quality and customer ratings. Employees will feel more empowered after this training and engage more within the company. It will also allow them to think outside the box and work with people they don't normally work with. Employees will have the opportunity to work with people from other generational backgrounds, which teaches diversity and proper communication. Employees will also investigate how AI can enhance their work life. This will propel the company to develop time and money-saving technology. Greater technological advances equals greater profit and employee satisfaction. And finally, the program recognizes the need for better employee engagement. It brings people from different backgrounds together, encourages innovative thinking through AI implementation, and most importantly, gives employees the opportunity to take pride in their work. Thanks everyone, and let me know if you have any questions.